Hello friends, welcome to my channel SSC English Maker. So in this video I am going to share how to think in English without hesitation and fear. So if you are a beginner or if you are a newcomer, so if you will face so many problems and difficulties at the initial stage because of you have no any idea how from where you should start. So therefore you face so many difficulties. So at this moment you can't think in English, or who have actually cleared at least 40 or 50% grammar portions. You can think in English because of you have you have an idea how to think and how to make the sentence. And who are beginner in this stage, you can't make any sentence and you can't think in English. Okay, so therefore you can't speak in this language. So I will tell you, or I will suggest you as your brother. So at first, who are beginner and trying to learn this language, you should complete the grammar portions. Then you should start think in English and start to make sentence. Okay, at the initial stage, you should make a small sentence to explain your thing, what you are thinking. So you should explain, and we can explain. We have if we have many things or many thoughts about that topic, then we can explain on that topic or any other topic. If we have no any idea, so how we can explain the thoughts? So before thinking in English or writing something in English, we should acquire knowledge about that topic, and how to acquire knowledge of English, and how to acquire um, many grammar rules. So you should go to tuition, and you should take a English master. Actually take an English master. If you have no any guider, you can't learn this language because of there are so many difficult portions or problematic portions. You can't you can't make the situations easy. And when you will not feel easy to learn these grammar portions, you 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 will reject, or you will give up the learning of English language. Okay, so you should take a guider for who guide you properly. And the guider uh, should be as your friend. If 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 you choose the guider like your friend, so you can say your problems and your difficulties to your teacher. So you should also be choose like that type of teacher.